everyone, right when I thought I couldn't think of another video to do, a beautiful thing happened. It's Blizzard Blog 2011, and I decided I'm going to vlog every single day of this blizzard that's supposed to be hitting us. You know, it's gonna be bad when when the storm reaches all the way almost to Idaho. It's gonna be a doozy. Today is day one. And I went out and I bought some supplies like milk and eggs and things that we needed. A toilet paper, because no one wants to be stuck inside with no toilet paper. We've been doing some other things around the house. Let's go see what we've been doing. Put plastic on all the windows in the living room. Can't tell on that one because I did such a good job, but that one's definitely done. And it needed to be done because it was so cold in here. So we've got some batteries, flashlights, hand warmers in case we need to go out. Andrew's going to get sugar because we're going to go make some wine.
You can see better on the camera than you can out the window.
And she's probably already spinning out of control. She's just going down the street, so she'll be just fine. Don't worry about her. And then in here we have our milk. And we got 2 things of eggs now. And I went and got some extra water, M&Ms. What are your blizzard plans?
Well, if the power goes out, I'm gonna watch movies on my iPod till it dies, and then just sit around and bitch the whole time, I guess.
It'll be so much fun to be caught up in a house with you, Heather.
Drink my tall boys. That's my plan.
I brought my Jenga drinking game. We've got jelly beans. It's gross. So my next step is to clean that table. Blizzard Vlog 2011, y'all. Can you do it all in German? Can you try? Can you try to do a sentence in German?
Cider y'all in German.
Say it again. Say it one more time.
Wir machen Glühwein y'all.
Alright, this is what we're dealing with right now. Here, the ice. So what are we doing?
Putting the wine in a pan. Oh, that junk inside that trunk. And just cut them in pieces.
The juice is flowing in that one.
See, look. Wet spot.
Way to take a perfectly innocent fruit, Heather.
Not so innocent.
And then you just put it in there.
Just fall.
I'm so pissed.
Just take it out of the box and then we'll watch TV and just randomly throw it at each other. It's Andrew's turn.
It's like wine tag. Now what are you adding?
1 cup of sugar for every liter.
And how many liters is in there?
3.5. You can just put it on medium, I think. That was 2, right?
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
And then you just add a little bit of cloves, a little bit of ginger, and a little bit of nutmeg. You don't need very much.
These are Andrea's super professional recipe.
What we are doing is we are stirring it now because it needs to be stirred. And no, we have not started drinking yet, but when we do, I tell you what.
It's so authentic with Hasselhoff, like in the background.
We love the Hasselhoff in Germany. It makes us very, very happy. Okay, now we put in the spices. We have nutmeg, we have ginger, and we have cloves. These go dash, dash, dash.
Can you get any kind of Franzia, or does it have to be a certain kind of Franzia?
Oh, burgundy is the best. Oh yeah, bring it to a simmer and then keep it warm. Don't do it anymore because all the alcohol goes out, and that's a very, very bad thing.
Harry Potter. Casey's gonna be so jealous.
Whatever.
This is so cool.
She's in London. I can go to Hogwarts whenever I want.
Get a Hogwarts whenever I want.
Are like the Daily Prophet.
Look at Lila's sweater.
She's pissed.
She is. Like she's. You wanna go outside? You go outside?
No.
It's your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna take another guess. I'm gonna go ahead and say Lucius again.
Lucius Malfoy. That's your drunk. That's your drunk pronunciation.
Lucius with the Mandrake Defense Against the Dark Arts.
With the Mandrake?
Yes. Okay.
It's about 12 in the morning, and my school hasn't called off yet tomorrow. But every other school in the entire state is pretty much called off. So I don't know what that's all about. That was day 1 of Blizzard Blog. Woohoo! My roommates are probably laughing at me right now. Blizzard Blog.